What's up, YouTube? This is another little update on the Honda Grom. We've been going a little carbon fiber crazy lately, but we just got the Blue Ridge 4Q wrap, carbon fiber wrap for the forks. Looking all nice, and headlight there, fender. Side fairing pieces, lower bottom fairing pieces, and the Tiger carbon fiber down there. Ooh. Just added this beauty right here. Nice carbon fiber gas tank cover. Ugh, just loving that. I should have done that a long time ago. About to rain, so I gotta get this thing back inside here in a second.